Hey guys, it's Dennis here again with Team Debrew like always, and today's video we're gonna have a look to top monthly recurring affiliate programs. But like always, before we jump into the content, please make sure to join our free Facebook group with Team Debrew by clicking the link below in the description for more trainings teaching you how to make money online. So let's jump into the content. Welcome back to our tutorials with Team Debrew like always, and today's video we're gonna have a look to top monthly recurring affiliate programs. So I was trying to actually stick to CPA affiliate marketing business with actually programs we use on daily basis, not all of them, some more, some less, and maybe you are using some of these programs and you don't know that they have an affiliate program. So let's have a look to the first program list, which is Sales Funnel Builders. We use lenders to pre-warm our audience before we send them to the offer landing page. So here are the most well-known programs. So the first one is ClickFunnels and has a 40% recurring commission. So second one is Kartra, is again 40% recurring commission. Convertri is 30%. Lead Pages, it's 30% as well. Builderall, it's 100% for the first month. If it's $100, you're gonna get $100 for the first month. And then if they stick with the program, you get 30% of the recurring commission. So that's mean if it's $100 every single month, you get $30. Instapage, it's 50% per purchase. So that's again the first purchase, so the first month, and then is 30% recurring commission. Tribe Teams, it's 35% per purchase, and then after the first month, it's 25% recurring commission. So Unbounce, it's 20% recurring commission, and Wishpond, it is a 30% commission, recurring commission as well. You can start to promote any of these programs and create a side income, which is pretty cool. So let's go to the next list, which is affiliate tracking softwares. I have 4 of them here. ClickMagick, it is a 35% recurring commission. Volume that we actually use in Team Debrew, it is 20% lifetime commission plus additional one-off bonuses. And the third one is Bynum, it's 10% lifetime commission, and RedTrack, it is 10% lifetime commission as well. So let's go to the next one, which is SEO tool or software. First one is Mangoes, so it's 30% recurring commission. SEMrush, it's 40% recurring commission. Article Forge is 30% recurring commission. So Longtail Pro, it is a 30% recurring commission. It is well-known keyword research tool. SpyFu, it's 40% recurring commission. Sperpstat is 30%. SEO Presser is 50%. Just look at 50% recurring commission. I guess they have different plans, like every program. Let's say it's 100, 200, and 300. So if you actually get a customer that subscribe to the plan number 2, so it's $200 per month, so they are paying $200, you get 50% recurring commission every single month, so you get $100 every single month. Pretty cool. So Link Audit is 30% recurring commission, and SEO Profiler is again 50% recurring commission. Let's jump to the next one. So the next one is Email List Builder and Autoresponder. So here we have the list. Aweber is the first one, it's well known, so 30% recurring commission. ConvertKit, it's 30% as well, so they're roughly around 30%, all of them. SendLane, it's 30% again. Drip, it's again there, 30%. MailerLite, it's 30% as well, the recurring commission. GetResponse is 33%. Active Campaign is 20 to 40%, depend of the plan they actually subscribe. And Ontraport, it's 25% recurring commission. Let's go to the next one, which is hosting service. If you're using a sales funnel builder like ClickFunnels, so the ClickFunnels has their own hosting, so you don't need a hosting. So this will come if you use a HTML website or HTML landing pages. First one, it's Cloud Ways, so it's 25% per purchase and then plus 10% recurring commission. Kinsta, it's 50 to 500 per purchase, depends on the plan they actually subscribe, and then it's 10% recurring commission as well. So Rose hosting, it's 50% per purchase plus 10% recurring commission plus additional bonuses. Beyond hosting is the next one that has 40% recurring commission. It looks like that it's the biggest one, so they have the biggest percent recurring commission from all of them here. So Vent Host, it's 20% recurring commission. Jigs Host, it's 20% as well. Bar Match is 50% recurring commission. And the last one is Constant Hosting. It's one-time payment plus 10% recurring commission after the first month. You can promote any of these offers and start side income. So let's go to the next one, and I think it's the last one, VPN Service, that we use in our CPA marketing businesses. And here we have 4 of them that have a recurring commission affiliate program. So Hide My Ass, so this is the first one, so it's 30 to 35% recurring commission, depends on the plan the customer subscribe. ZenMate is next one, 30 to 35%. Pure VPN is one-time payment plus 35% recurring commission, and TorGuard is 30% recurring commission. But you have affiliate programs that they have one-time payment, not a recurring commission, but that could be a topic for another video. Hope this helped you to start your side income that reinvest in your CPA testing phase with new offers to make even more profits. So this is everything for today's video. So hope you enjoy it. Like always, if you have any additional questions, just type it below into the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow with a new video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.